Decision-making in business, the rational model explained. Hello learners. Today, we're diving into the world of business and workplace culture. One key area in this domain is decision-making. Have you ever wondered how professionals make decisions in the business world? Well, there are various models, but one of the most popular ones is the rational decision-making model. Let's uncover its definition and principles. The rational decision-making model is a systematic, step-by-step process that individuals or businesses use to make decisions. The name itself suggests that decisions are made based on logical reasoning and analytical assessment, rather than on intuition or gut feelings. This model is particularly prevalent in the business world because it provides a structured approach that aims to achieve the best possible outcome. It's like having a roadmap for decisions. 1. Define the problem. Every decision starts with a problem or a need. It's essential to clearly define and understand the problem to find the right solution. 2. Identify the criteria. Decide what factors are important for resolving the problem. These are the criteria against which all potential solutions will be evaluated. 3. Generate alternatives. Brainstorm and list down all possible solutions or courses of action. Don't filter at this stage, the more, the better. 4. Evaluate alternatives. Assess each alternative against the set criteria. This step often involves analyzing the pros and cons of each option. 5. Choose the best alternative. After evaluating, select the solution that best meets the criteria. This is the decision point. 6. Implement the decision. Put the chosen alternative into action. Implementing effectively is as crucial as making the right decision. 7. Review the decision. After some time, revisit the decision to see if it produced the desired results. If not, learn from it and refine the process for future decisions. The strength of the rational decision-making model lies in its systematic approach. It reduces impulsive decisions and increases the chances of reaching an optimal solution. Especially in a business setting, where stakes are high and decisions can impact many stakeholders, a structured approach is invaluable. So there you have it, the rational decision-making model in a nutshell. It's a powerful tool to have in your business toolkit, ensuring that decisions are made thoughtfully and efficiently. We hope you found this explanation insightful. Remember, good decision-making is a blend of knowledge, understanding, and application. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next video.